to explain to you who is eligible, what are the requirements, how can you get it, how can you meet up, and much more. In this video today, I'm going to explain to you all that there is to know about the Nigerian Youth Investment Fund. Oh yes, recently I did video a few days ago about free business name registration. The federal government of Nigeria are giving out 250,000 free business name registration. So if you want to know more about that video, you can check in the comment section of this video or in the description of this video. You can ask so that I can give you the link to that video so that you know all that you need to know on how you can access this free business name registration. So that video triggered a lot of questions, and most of you started asking me. Some even come to my DM and ask, and they were saying it's not about registering the business. I have business ideas. Some people said I even register my business, but my problem right now is funding. My problem is capital. My problem is if I go to the bank, the interest rate about the loan and all this is huge. So what do I do? And I know that a lot of people don't know that there's an ongoing Nigerian Youth Investment Fund that you can access. Although there is age restriction, but that is all that I'm going to explain to you. Who is eligible, what are the requirements, how can you get it, how can you meet up, and much more. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So there's an amount of money that has been dedicated to investing in innovation, in ideas, in skills and talent of Nigerian youths. So if you fall among the age bracket or the age limit, good and fine. So now you don't longer have to cry about capital, because this particular money I'm talking about is a loan, yes, but you are only paying 5% interest per annum. 5% interest per annum, that's what you pay, and you can pay within the space of 5 years. Isn't that amazing? So I don't want to waste much of your time with too much talk. I would also want to go straight to who is eligible and how can you get it. So the age bracket is between age 18 to 35. Oh yes, is 18 to 35. I don't know why they cut it that short, but thank God, thank goodness, next month I will be 35, so at least I still fall in between that age bracket. So that's the first thing. And then secondly, even if your business is not registered, you can still apply for this loan. So I will first of all tell you the criteria, what you need to know, what you need to have as someone that's an individual or a non-registered business. The first thing is you must be between age 18 to 35. Then the second thing is you need to have a valid BVN and means of identification, be it driving license, national ID card, or voter's card, or international passport. And then you need to provide a business plan. It's very important. So I have a free PDF that I was selling 1,000 naira, but now I'm giving for free. If you don't know how to write a business plan, you can learn how to do that, how to write a business plan. You can ask in the comment section of this video so that I'll give you the link to that PDF free of charge. And then the last but not the least, you need to have entrepreneurship training certification. Is important. So the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sports Development is doing that training. They channel people to different training institutes so that they can train you on that particular thing you are about going into. So those are the criteria for individual and non-registered business. So for people that have registered business, and again, so if your business is not registered, you can get from 250,000 naira along that. That's the limit, 250,000 naira. But if your business is registered, you can get up to 3 million naira. So for people that have registered business, what are the criteria? Number one, you need to have CAC certification. You need to register your business. You must bring the certificate of registration, the CAC certificate. That's one. The second thing is business plan, or the summary of your questionnaire is important. So if you don't know how to do that, as I've said earlier, you can learn how to write a business plan. Is very important. And then the third thing you need, as a registered business owner, you need to have tax identification number. You need to also have your BVN and valid means of identification, and of course entrepreneurship training certification, and is all under the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sports Development, founded by CBN. Is in collaboration with CBN. Is under CBN. Is CBN that is giving the fund to Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport Development so that they can dispose the money. So you need to apply. Please try as much as you can, because this is a new Nigeria. Nigeria is going through a process and is going to be rebirth. Please, it's no longer who know who again. Try as much as you can. Do the needful. Do the needful. Take your time. Go to the website. I'm going to link it in the description of this video, or you can comment. Ask me for the link. I will drop. I always like engaging with all my subscribers. Everybody that asks questions, I always engage with you in the comment section. So you can ask in the comment section so that I can give you the link to register or to apply for the fund or for the loan. And again, the interest rate is 5%. And again, your business must not be registered. If your business is not registered, you can apply, and if your business is registered, good and fine. Any further question you can ask in the comment section of this video, and I'll be here to answer you. So now it's no longer about you don't have capital or you cannot register your business. Honestly, now things are beginning to fall into places, pleasant places. Things are beginning to go into shape. And I wish you all the best in everything you do. I wish you all the best in your business. Please, now is not time that we should be dwelling on what we don't have, but rather what we have and we are not making use of it. So there's a free business registration that is going on right now. Kindly go and register or ask me in the comment section, and I'll answer you by giving you the link to know all that there is to know, so that you can get your business registered. As you can see, the difference is clear. For people that their business is not registered, they are limited to 250,000, while people that their business is registered, they can access up to 3 million naira. Is very important. And don't forget to come back and tell me thank you by the time you secure your own fund. Until I come here again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.